How to verify a Facebook account with a blue check. First is to make sure you have your Facebook updated on your account. Click these three horizontal lines menu on the bottom left and click Help and Support, then tap on Help Center. Now if you're there, you can type on the search bar on how to verify blue badge. And then after typing that, it will give you lots of options. Just tap on the first one to request a verified badge on Facebook. Now you can see the information here, and under the verify your profile or page, so tap here that fill out this form. So that one, tap on it, and you'll be able to fill out the form provided by the Facebook here. So just confirm your authenticity. Make sure that you will also provide enough documents to prove your authenticity and also your notability, wherein you have to specifically state your country and your place. And the third one, the links of your pages. And then all you have to do is to click send and wait for the Facebook to give you an update whether you're verified already. So if yes, it will look like this one. This blue badge will be next to your name. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.